Hey, what's up guys? Today I've brought you the review of Nokia 3310. So let's begin. So here's the box itself. Very cardboardy and cheap feeling from the box. Much much regular Nokia things. So the device has 2 megapixel camera with LED flash, a nice battery, and snake preloaded, Opera Store, FM radio, micro SD card, micro SIM, and most important, headphone jack. We'll put it aside too. Let's take a look on the accessories. There's the battery itself, which is in very nice packaging. A charging brick with micro USB cable. A junk piece of crap earphones. But who needs that? So let's move towards the device. So let's put the battery inside the device. So the device is made up of plastic. It is just a comeback variant of old Nokia 3310. We all know why we bought these devices now. For playing Snake. For playing Snake. So the camera of the device is very poor in quality. So the design of the device is pretty much basic with the headphone jack at the bottom and speaker at the back. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching guys. Please subscribe to my channel. Hope you like the video. Peace out.